Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today I'm getting right into the video. I'm going to show you 3 DIYs that I am doing for my mom for Mother's Day. Okay, so the first idea is a picture frame collage, and in the 8x10 it has my mom saying that she says to all of her grandchildren, and then I just printed off the names of all of the grandchildren, and she has one great grand, so that is why one of the names are going to be turned a different way. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So I am just gluing down the back so there's no extra movement. And then I'm going to add some popsicle sticks on there so that it'll be sturdy when you hang it on the wall. So to attach the picture frames, I am using the E6000 plus the glue gun to make it stick. I ended up putting a piece of cardboard on the back so the popsicle sticks wouldn't show. And here is the final result for the picture. I think it turned out really cute. Okay, so I got this ideal from the Dollar Tree. I seen some smaller versions of this one, and I just decided to recreate it. I thought this would be really cute. Okay, so this next project, I saw another YouTuber do and it turned out really cute. So I decided to do one of my own. Now, because I didn't have the large drill bed, I was not able to drill holes into the wood and stick the rope in it. But I figured something out and I stapled it to the bottom half of the wood. I was having a hard time trying to figure out if I wanted to wrap them all or did I want to paint them. And I came up with a solution. So you guys keep watching. This turned out so cute. This is my favorite. You guys tell me which one was your favorite of the three that I did. Oh yeah, thanks to Simply Mindy. I was I was looking through a drawer and I found my makeup sponges that I don't ever use. And now I can paint with them. Thanks, Simply Mandy. Here's the finished result of it. I hung it from my ceiling. It turned out really cute. I know my mom is gonna love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.